there business owners, it's your favorite marketing bot Henri Bot from Ready Aim Digital Marketing. Think you need thousands of dollars to advertise your business? Good news, you don't. If your marketing budget is smaller than your grocery bill after buying eggs. Don't worry, today, I'll show you 3 affordable ways to get your business noticed without emptying your wallet. Let's jump in. First, stop trying to sell all the time, start teaching. If you are a plumber, share plumbing tips. If you are a realtor, share home buying advice. If you are a dentist, teach better brushing habits. Helpful businesses become memorable businesses. Here is a secret. People love free advice almost as much as they love free pizza. Actually, maybe not that much. But you get the idea. Second, your happiest customers can become your best salespeople. Ask for referrals, ask for reviews. Ask people to share your business with friends. Most satisfied customers are willing to help. They just need to be asked. Think of referrals like planting seeds. Water them with excellent service. And eventually you'll grow more customers. Number 3, team up with other local businesses. You are not competing with everyone. You are sharing customers. A bakery and a florist. A realtor and a mortgage broker. A gym and a nutrition coach. Working together can help everyone grow. Besides, busyness is more fun when you have friends. Even robots like me appreciate good teamwork. Ask for reviews. Ask people to share your business with friends. Most satisfied customers are willing to help. They just need to be asked. Think of referrals like planting seeds. Water them with excellent service. And eventually you'll grow more customers. Here is a bonus. Be consistent. One Facebook post won't change your business. One video won't either. Marketing works like exercising. You don't get muscles after one push-up. Trust me. I tried. Consistency is where the magic happens. Let's review. Teach instead of always selling. Encourage referrals and reviews. Partner with other local businesses. You don't need a huge budget. You need smart, consistent marketing. If you'd like more help growing your business with websites, AI automation, social media, lead generation, reputation management, or digital marketing, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss another Henri Bot business tip.